Hello friends, welcome to my channel. My name is Deepak Varshani. If you are using iPhone and you want to know how to record phone calls on iPhone, then in this video I will show you which setting you need to enable so you can record your phone calls. So for that, first of all you have to check your iOS version. So here it is iOS 18.3.2, so make sure you have this one or latest, and then you have to enable the setting. You have to type call recording and go to that setting, and here you can enable it. So I have enabled these settings. Now here you can read, it is saying this allows you to use the iPhone app to record the conversation during the call, then transcribe and summarize in the Notes app, and audio notification will automatically play before a recording begins. So what does it mean? I will show you practically. So let me call on this phone so you get better idea. So I'm calling on that number. So if receive the call, so this is test call, and based on the conversation AI will summarize this call. So to record the phone call you have to manually click here.
This call will be recorded.
So this is a default message. Your friend will also listen that message. So it's not necessary that you can start the recording from the beginning. You can start any time, whenever you want, or you can ask the person you are calling that you are recording this call so you can remember the conversation. So here you can see it is recording the call. You can stop this recording in the between,
Is no longer being recorded.
and you can go to notes here. So once you tap on that note you can hear that call. So let's hear it.
This is a default message. Your friend will also listen that message. So it's not necessary that you can.
And you can see here is summary.
You can start any time.
So whatever I was speaking during that call, it has summarized here as a preview. And the option of the recording will reappear once you stop the recording. So you can start again.
This call will be recorded.
And here you will get notification that if you want to make a note. So while the call is recording, you can go to this recording and come back to your call. So it is linked. Now let's try one more time.
This call will be recorded.
So you go to the notes here and hear that recording here. So all these are from same call. So as many as recording you want, you can record it. Now let's disconnect the call. So once you disconnect, it will again give you the notification here, or you can go to notes, and these are the notes. You can see it is today's notes, so you can hear your recordings. So this is how you can record your phone calls. If there is any new update or setting, to remove that recorded message that this call is recorded, so you can, maybe in the future Apple will provide the update where you can do your own default message. If such kind of updates will come, then I'll create new video to change that setting as well. So if you want to subscribe to my channel, please subscribe to the channel so you will get latest updates on this new feature. If you have any comment or feedback, please drop in the comment box below. Please like the video, share it with your friends. I will see you in the next video. Till then, you take care. Goodbye.